I am here to chop off my kiddos, my favorite bendies. This is at the Lime Tree A at the Jumeirah Golf Estate. So tonight's dinner is going to be steamed okras. Here you go. Can I show them the whole plant? Yeah, and okay, now I'm going to trim this. If anybody wants to buy this organic and from Monica's garden, 50 dirhams per one. If anybody wants, because I'm giving it away with so much love as well. Okay, this one, all these. I'm yet to see if there is anything more. I've gotten this many, a handful. Oh, can I see if I have any on this? Come, show this. Oh my god, this is so pretty. So, saying bye for now. It's really sweating already, but nothing compares to this. Cheers! Bye bye!